What's up guys? Syempre winter na naman dito, di ba? And kadalasang problema pag winter dito is yung sasakyan mo minsan ayaw mag-start sa sobrang lamig, especially kung hindi mo naman ginagamit na madalas. So, itong sasakyan nila tatay is not working. Napalitan na siya ng alternator last time, pero ngayon namatay na naman yung battery. I'm not sure kung dahil hindi nagagamit. So, yun yung disadvantage dito pag winter, napakalamig. And yung sasakyan talagang hirap umandar. So ngayon ibuboost namin tong sasakyan ni tatay. Yan guys, i-jump start namin siya katulong ng isang truck ni tatay na nandito. Nalagay namin dito sa unahan. What a start of our day. Okay guys, I fucked up. Dapat kasi hindi ko na iniwan yung susi doon sa loob ng car. Hindi ko naman expect na once na kabit yung jumper, yung wire doon sa isang battery, maglalak yung sasakyan na puti. So ngayon, hindi namin mahanap yung spare key and naghahanap kami ng solution what to do with this freaking car. Ayun yung susi oh. Oh my God. May gagawin pa ako eh. Godly. Bro, what the hell, man? What's going on, bro? Come on. Wala namang open a window. Wala at all. What a start of our day, eh? But it was my fault. Kasi sabi ko, iwan na lang dyan yung susi sa loob. Hindi naman maglalak yan. So freaking mad right now, bro. I'm mad, bro. Ano kaya mangyayari?
What vehicle is it?
It's a 4Runner 2013, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the color of it?
Oh, what color? White.
Okay. And your first name?
Marlou.
Okay. Our locksmith's name is Ken.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll forward this off to him and have him come out and unlock your vehicle. Okay?
How much do you usually charge for that?
The 45 service call and 80 to unlock. So you're looking at 125.
Okay.
And we take debit, credit, or cash.
Okay. Sounds good then. Bring him in.
Okay. I'll get him on his way.
Alright, bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
We had no choice. We gotta call the professional carjackers. 120 to start the day. Let's go. Oh my God, guys. Let's go. Okay guys, na-start na natin yung car. Hindi ko na na-videoan kasi nga nag-broadcast ako. But that's $140 mistake. That's what you get. Right, Emil?
Yes.
Yes. Say bye.
No, I got haircut.
Oh wow, yeah, guys. Emil got a haircut. That's nice, right? See, looks so foggy. Yeah, $140, bro. Just like that. But anyway, all done. All good. Na-start na din yung car. Na-jump na din yung car. We just had to pay.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make